To keep your daily online activity private while maintaining high speeds, you need a reliable security layer that stays locked down. To get started, you simply need an internet-connected device and an active ExpressVPN subscription. If you haven't signed up yet, follow the link in the video description. This ensures the best available discount is applied to your account during the checkout process. Once your account is active, navigate to the Devices tab on the ExpressVPN website to download the installer. If you are on mobile, you can find the app directly in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Whether you are on Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS, the dashboard is visually identical. This means the setup process remains the same across all your devices. With the application now installed, the technical work of establishing an encrypted connection is handled for you. You are ready to manage professional-grade security through a simple, one-click interface. Open the app and you'll see the main dashboard. It features a central power button for quick connections and a 3 dots menu to access specific server locations. For everyday browsing, use the Smart Location feature. It automatically connects you to the server with the lowest latency and fastest speeds. However, you can manually select a server to access specific regional content or for extra protection while torrenting. You can browse through the list of 105 available locations or type a specific country or city directly into the search bar to find the exact node you need. Once you click your chosen location, the dashboard will change color. This visual shift confirms that your connection is now active and encrypted. In this state, your ISP and the websites you visit can no longer track, record, or identify your browsing activity. Knowing when to use the automated smart location versus a specific manual server allows you to maintain high speeds while accessing the exact geographic regions you need. To make your connection even more secure, click the 3 lines in the top left, select Options, and stay on the General tab. This is where you find Network Lock, which is the industry term for a kill switch. If your VPN connection becomes unstable, Network Lock protects your privacy by instantly severing your internet access. This prevents your device from accidentally sending unencrypted data over the public web. To activate this, ensure both boxes under the Network Lock section are checked. Now, click over to the Protocol tab. You should avoid leaving this on the automatic setting or using older protocols that may be slower or less secure. Instead, manually select Lightway. This is a proprietary protocol designed specifically to provide the fastest connection speeds without compromising on encryption strength. By enforcing Network Lock and the Lightway Protocol, you ensure your device maintains a persistent, high-speed security shield without relying on less secure default settings. Under the Shortcuts tab, you can add your most visited websites. This allows you to launch them directly from the app as soon as your VPN connection is established. Back on the General tab, you'll find Split Tunneling. Split tunneling lets you choose which apps use the VPN. This is useful if you want to keep your web browsing encrypted, while allowing specific apps like local banking or wireless printers to bypass the tunnel for better compatibility. Next, go to the Advanced Protection tab to find the Threat Manager. By checking the boxes here, the app blocks known trackers and malicious domains before they even load, increasing your overall privacy. For more convenience, you can use the browser extensions for Chrome or Firefox. These protect against WebRTC leaks and spoof your location without needing to open the full desktop application. You can also use ExpressVPN keys to manage your passwords, or even install the software on a custom router to automatically protect every smart device in your home. Using these shortcuts and custom routing options allows you to maintain your security while keeping your local network devices and frequently used apps accessible. Your device is now fully configured. You have an optimized Lightway connection, active leak protection through Network Lock, and a system that actively blocks background trackers. Now that you're set up, try connecting to a foreign server to see how your connection performs from a different geographic perspective. If you are just starting your setup today, remember to use the discount link in the description to secure your account. With these settings in place, you no longer have to rely on basic browser settings for privacy. You are now in full control of your digital security.